Hey, what's up, crew? It's time today to talk about eye protection, 100% eye protection. Man, this is one safety area that you do not want to fail on. And so want to just give you a couple of statistics, okay? For roughly 2,000 US workers a day are injured through not wearing proper eye protection, 2,000. Now, the killer stat is that 90% of those injuries could be prevented if we only wore our eye protection. Okay, so for me, this is a huge part of both what I do as a teacher and as a general contractor, but here is what we're going to be talking about today. These beautiful little bad boys right here. Okay, so these are Milwaukee's version of wraparound eye protection. And so these are by far, starting with the first function, which is to make sure that you're looking right here on the inside of the lens and making sure that they have been certified and stamped with the Z87 or higher, which means the frames and the lenses have been tested independently in a lab for strength and resistance to shattering, which is huge. And so check on the Milwaukee's. Second for me is, are they comfortable, right? Do they fit on the human head well and safely and correctly so that I forget about them during the day? That's the whole hope, right? If we can mentally forget we have them on, that just means we leave them on all day and we're not taking them on and off, because the minute we remove them, there's your chance of getting that eye injury. When they're on, you can reduce it by 90%, all right? So comfortable, super nice, flexible, soft ear wraps, right? And they don't even wrap, they're just straight back. So depending on how and what shape the human head is, it always fits well, okay? Really good when I've got 30 or 40 students that are wearing these different sizes shapes, right? So we've got comfort. Secondly, we've got the design where this thing wraps all the way back behind your eye, almost to your temple, and gives you very little opportunity for side debris or anything blown in from the side to actually enter and injure. And that's the hope. We live and work in a three-dimensional world. We got stuff coming at us from all different directions. And so having that shape, which allows it to wrap around your eyes and protect and give you side as well as frontal protection, super sweet. Last thing that I love is that I use it every day because I happen to wear glasses, right? So when I have to switch out from my street glasses back to my safety glasses, I've got the combination of a system that helps me do this every single day. I've got the right glass protection, I've got a case that it actually works and zips into, and then it sits right here in the top of my primary tool case. So right when I open, I go, boom, I gotta pull it, I'm gonna exchange my street glasses for my work glasses, and it's just this simple. By the way, put that back in the case because that protects you while I'm working, and all of a sudden I'm up and running, fully protected eye protection. So these Milwaukee safety glasses, man, they work well, they feel great on your head, they're comfortable for all day work, and so grab a pair and never leave home without it. All right, guys, take care.